Hi guys, I'm back again with a new video. So in today's video, I want to share with you my thoughts about the new toner that I got recently. This is the Heartleaf Calming Moisture Toner from Goodal. So I bought this for around $30 and one bottle is 300 milliliter. The packaging is made of recycled paper and the toner is vegan. The main ingredients in this toner is houttuynia cordata. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I'm going to write it down here. And it claims to provide moisture, smoothen the skin, and give soothing effect. Anyway, this is how the texture looks. The toner is very light and watery. You can use it, you can layer it many times to prepare your skin for the next skincare step because it's very light and watery. The toner also have this vegetable herbal smell, which I find it quite calming. And then what I like about the toner is that sometimes because of the watery consistency, it will drop close to my eyes, but for me it doesn't sting my eyes, so I like the gentle formulation about this toner. Anyway, overall I think I really like the toner because the price is reasonable. For $30 I got this 300 milliliter toner and I think it can last me around 2 to 3 months, which is quite good. And although it doesn't have a lot of claim, but it delivered the effect that I want, which is hydrating my skin and to prepare my skin for the next skincare step. So yeah, I do see myself repurchasing this again, but to be honest, this is not my favorite kind of toner. I prefer something with brightening ingredients, but it's personal only for me. So anyway, thank you everyone for watching the video. I hope the review is useful. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye bye.